When using an application with a lot of features like Excel, it is only human that you will not remember how all tools work. Going through a structured course like the one this video belongs to will give you the opportunity to get familiar with tools and concepts of how a complex application like Excel works, but in the long run, if you don't use a tool very often, you will not remember exactly how it works. This is where help is needed, and Excel, like all Office applications, offers several ways to help you. This assistant is not meant to serve educational purposes. I mean that it would be difficult to use it to learn something new because it is not intended to be used like that. Nevertheless, it can be very useful for you if you already have some knowledge and you need to remember something or to locate a specific feature you are searching for. The first thing you can do is seek help on a topic by searching for it. In the Help tab, there is a Help tool which you can use to open the relevant panel, and notice the label telling you that you can also display the Help panel by pressing the F1 key. I will click here on the tool, but I could simply have pressed this F1 on the keyboard. In the panel that opens, there are some preset topics, but mainly there is a space for you to write what you are looking for. For example, I will write absolute reference because this is what I want to find help on, how absolute reference works, and I will press enter to start the search. Now a topic concerning the absolute reference of cells appears, and scrolling down you see that other results related to this topic also appear. I will click on a topic and this topic opens. I can read here whatever I want, and this is how things go in the Help panel. You can also find help directly from the tools in the ribbon. I will go to the Home tab and hover the mouse over the Fill tool for a while. Generally, in most Windows applications, it's very common for some short help text to appear if you hover the mouse over a tool. So always keep this in mind when you don't really know what the tool does, or you're not sure. Hover the mouse for a while and you might get some help here. For some tools, like this one, there is an option for more help. So I will click on Tell Me More, and in the Help panel you see detailed information on how the Fill Color tool works. As I said at the beginning of the lesson, this help is valuable if you already know what the tool does and just want to refresh your memory about some detail. If you try to use it as education, you will find that it is not that useful. However, for someone who simply wants to find or remember something, it is excellent. The help labels also appear on the tools that open dialog boxes for panels. I will move the mouse to the relevant tool for the number palette, and by leaving it there for a while, I receive some brief help. Here there is no option for more information. Generally, the labels might just have a short text and nothing more. I will click on the number palette tool to enter the relevant dialog box, and notice in the upper right corner the button with the question mark. Also, this button is not present in all dialog boxes, but when it is, I can click it and it takes me to a web page that contains information about the tools and features of this window. So I can get help from that as well. Let me now show you the most interesting help tool available in Office. It is the search feature you see here at the top. This is a search for buttons and tools. For example, I want to set the print area, but I don't remember that the button is in the page layout tab. I can use the search like this. I will start typing print, and I will leave a space and press A, and see that with just those letters it found the tool, and I can use it just by pressing set print area. So I set the print area that was selected right now. This means if I roughly know what the tool I want to use is called, I don't need to know which tab it is located in. I can write a part of the name here in the search and it will find it for me. Keep this in mind because it is especially useful for someone starting with Excel. Finally, there is help on the internet through searching on Google or using AI tools like ChatGPT. This is the most effective way to get help on a topic. As I mentioned at the beginning of this course, all these tools have limited value for someone without a solid background. That is, someone who hasn't been trained in Excel will find help that can offer a solution for the moment, but they won't even know what they did. They would have simply applied a ready-made solution that often might not work exactly as they want, and they wouldn't know how to adjust it to their needs. This is the value of a structured education you are now following. Even if some things are forgotten over time, when you need something, it will be very easy to find it and use it because you already have the background which is essential. This is even more true if Excel is or will become the main application in your work. If you belong to the category of people who work or will work extensively with Excel, I recommend you follow the my advanced level course series, where you will see many more capabilities and tools. This way you will have all the background that will enable you, even if you don't remember something, to easily seek it and get help for that. That's all for this lesson. Thank you for watching.